All right, welcome back. It's time for IAS 16 treatments, and IAS 16 allows a choice of accounting treatment for property, plant, and equipment. And what are those choices? Number one, we have cost model, right? And number two, we have revaluation model. Okay, in cost model, what we need to do, it's very simple. Cost less scrap value divided by useful life, right? Cost less scrap value divided by useful life, we will get depreciation, and therefore it should be valued at cost less accumulated depreciation, right? And then we have revaluation model. And in revaluation model, actually, the plant property and equipment may be carried at the valued amount, or you can say that we will carry asset at revalued amount less any accumulated depreciation. Revalued amount or market value less any accumulated depreciation. Uh, all right. Therefore, if we apply revaluation model, we need to we need to we need to ensure we need to ensure that asset market value is materially not different, and for that IS 16 suggests to regularly review the market values of the asset, and when one asset is revalued, entire class of asset need to be revalued, right? I hope you get it. In next session we will discuss the cases of revaluation model.